Hello everyone, welcome to the University of West Georgia. My name is Saeed Tabar and I'm the Director of MIS at the Richards College of Business. I'm excited to be with you today. In this meeting, I'd like to talk to you briefly about something that affects all of us, cybersecurity. Whether you're texting friends, posting on social media, or shopping online, you're part of a huge digital world. And just like in real life, there are bad people out there trying to break in, steal stuff, or cause chaos. That's where cybersecurity comes in. It's all about protecting your data, like your school's data, or your financial data from malicious users. And the cool part is, you can be the one who helps stop the bad guys. At our college, we offer programs at undergrad and graduate levels that teach you to become a cybersecurity expert. You will learn how to think and act like a hacker, but in good ways, build secure systems, and even investigate cyber crimes. And the great news is, these jobs are in high demand in the market, and they pay very well and they make a real difference in the world. So if you're interested in tech or just want to help make the internet a safer place, this could be your path for the future. Let's take a quick look at how it all works. Here's what we're going to cover in our time together. We will kick things off by breaking down what cybersecurity really means and why it matters to you, your school, family, and pretty much everyone who uses the internet. Next, we will dive into common types of cyber attacks like phishing, ransomware, and denial of service. We will see how these threats work and why they're so dangerous. Next is the cybersecurity layers. Just like castles that have walls, guards, and secret tunnels, cybersecurity uses layers of defense. We will explore how these layers help keep our data safe and how you can protect yourself online. Then I will share an exciting career path and how you can get started in cybersecurity. We will wrap things up with your thoughts, ideas, and questions. But do not wait until the end. Feel free to stop me whenever you have a question. I love questions and I'm here to help. By the end of our time together, I hope to provide you with a clearer picture of cybersecurity and how to start your education and career in this field. So what is cybersecurity? Imagine your cell phone or laptop as a house. Cybersecurity is like the locks on the doors, the alarm system, and the guard dog, all working together to keep out intruders. In simple terms, cybersecurity is all about keeping your information safe by guarding three dimensions: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means only you can see your information. Integrity means no one messes with your information, and availability means your needed information is there when you need it. If you take the first word of each dimension, the result is going to be CIA. If any of these three dimensions is targeted by hackers, your system is insecure. So why cybersecurity matters to everyone? Cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts or big companies. It's for everyone. It helps protect people from having their personal information stolen, also businesses from losing money or customer trust, and also governments from serious threats that could mess with public services. Types of cyber attacks. Cyber attacks come in all shapes and sizes, and they're not just something out of a movie. They are real, happening every day, and they can disrupt your data, devices, and even entire organizations. In today's connected world, data is like blood in the veins of organizations. If data is lost, damaged, or if it becomes unavailable, organizations are dead. For example, if your bank lost your data, they would be unable to provide any types of services and they would officially be dead. Here are a few common ones. Phishing. This is when attackers pretend to be someone you trust, like a teacher, a bank, or a friend, to trick you into giving up personal information like password or credit card number. The second type is ransomware. Imagine your computer gets locked and the only way to unlock it is to pay money. That's ransomware. It's like digital kidnapping for your files. And the other type is denial of service or DOS attack. This attack floods a website or system with so much traffic that it crashes, kind of like too many people trying to get into a concert at once. The objective is not to steal or damage data, but to make it unavailable. Recent major cyber attacks. Now let's go through some incidents that have happened over the past 5 years. They're affecting everything from hospitals to gas stations. For example, in February 2024, a company called Change Healthcare, which helped process medical claims, got hit by a ransomware attack. That means hackers locked up their system and demanded money to unlock them. The result? Healthcare services across the country were disrupted and doctors couldn't access patient info. That cost them $2.87 billion and they paid $22 million ransom to have their files unlocked. In another incident, back in May 2021, hackers broke into Colonial Pipeline, which supplies nearly half of the East Coast fuel. How did they do that? Through a leaked password. The company had to shut down for 6 days and gas stations ran dry. Even airports like Atlanta and Charlotte had fuel problems. Colonial Pipeline ended up paying the hackers 75 bitcoins, about 4.4 million at the time. The FBI later recovered most of it, but its value had dropped to 2.3 million. Another incident happened in May 2024 to Snowflake, which is a cloud data company. Big names like AT&T and Trickmaster were affected and hackers demanded up to 5 million in ransom. Let me give you another scary statistic. In 2024, cybercrime ranked third globally in terms of GDP. The United States was first with around 30 trillion, China second with about 20 trillion, and cybercrime came in third with a staggering $10 trillion. Layers of cybersecurity. Now let's see how we can protect data from various types of attacks. The short answer is through layers of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity works like a team of bodyguards. Each one has a special job to keep your data safe. It's an ongoing effort and it never stops. The first layer is the physical security. It controls access to facilities, servers, and data centers through door locks, security cameras, and badge access to buildings where servers live. It keeps intruders out of the tech space. Next is authentication, where people's identity is verified through password, Face ID, or a fingerprint to make sure users are legit and they're exactly the one who they claim they are. Next layer is authorization. Once users are authenticated, they're allowed to access data based on their access level and role. Once you are in, this decides what you are allowed to access. For example, you can view your homework, but not the teacher's grade work. Even with all these measures, some hackers are able to pass through these first 3 layers. Cryptography is the next layer to ensure that if hackers access their needed data, they are unable to read or use it. Cryptography encrypts sensitive data to prevent unauthorized access. Some hackers manage to pass through the first three layers. So cryptography scrambles data to make it unreadable for unauthorized users. It is like writing in secret codes. And the last layer is monitoring, which oversees all these steps. This layer watches everything, looking for suspicious activities and alerting security teams if something is off. Human error, the weakest link. The biggest cybersecurity risk is people. Even with all the fancy tech out there, the biggest weakness in cybersecurity is still human users. Mistakes like clicking sketchy links, using weak passwords, ignoring software updates can put our data and system at risk. These simple mistakes can lead to major problems like getting hacked, losing personal info, or infecting your device with malware. So the fun fact is that 95% of cyber breaches happen because of human error. That means most attacks could have been avoided with better habits. Hackers always try to obtain their needed data from human users, rather than running sophisticated codes to break into a system. Now let's watch a short clip that shows hackers don't always break into systems. They often trick people into giving them what they need. You will see how simple conversations, fake emails, or even phone calls can lead to big security breaches, all because of human error. Personal cyber safety tips. Staying safe online doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few smart habits can make big differences. Here are some easy tips to follow. First, think before you click. If a link looks suspicious or too good to be true, it probably is. Don't click unless you are safe it is safe. Second step is to use multi-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of protection to your accounts. It's called multi-factor authentication. It is like having a second lock on your digital door. Next step is create strong and unique passwords. Avoid using password 123 or your birthday. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and don't reuse passwords. Keep your devices updated. Updates fix security holes. Don't ignore them, install them. Also use antivirus software. It is like a shield that helps block viruses and malware before they cause trouble. Be careful what you share. Don't post personal info like your full name, address, or school schedule on public platforms. Watch out for social engineering. Hackers often trick people into giving up their personal information. Stay alert and question anything that feels off. And remember that these simple steps help you stay safe and build good habits as a responsible digital citizen. At the University of West Georgia, we can prepare you for this exciting journey. In our college, you're not just learning, you're experiencing cybersecurity in action. We offer modern tech labs and facilities. From the virtual computer lab to the MIS lab, University of West Georgia gives you hands-on access to cutting-edge tools that bring learning to life. We offer programs that prepare you for the real world. You can choose from Bachelor of Business Administration in MIS and Master of Science in Strategic Cybersecurity. These programs offer real-world projects, internship opportunities, competition to test your skills, and curriculum built to tackle today's cybersecurity challenges. So life at University of West Georgia is more than just classes. University of West Georgia is a vibrant, welcoming campus where you will grow academically and personally. We also offer active student clubs and events. You can join the MIS Club and other tech-focused groups to meet peers, learn new skills, and attend fun and educational events. You can also work with the students from all backgrounds in a supportive environment that encourages teamwork and innovation. We also offer support and career guidance. From mentorship programs to career services, University of West Georgia helps you plan your future and succeed in it. And the great thing is that most of our courses are offered in hybrid mode, meaning that students are allowed to attend in person or complete them online. We have designed our material in a way that online students and face-to-face students can benefit from our courses. So cybersecurity is one of the most exciting and high-paying fields in technology today. With the rise in digital threats and the expansion of cloud infrastructure, organizations across industries are investing heavily in cybersecurity talent. This has led to a surge in demand for skilled professionals and a wide range of lucrative career opportunities. For example, a threat hunter, also known as threat or warning analyst, earns an average salary of $126,000 per year. This role involves proactively searching through network data and system logs to identify hidden adversaries using behavioral analysis and threat intelligence. Red teamers who simulate real-world cyber attacks to test organizational defenses earn around $128,000 annually. Digital forensic analysts who collect and analyze digital evidence for legal proceedings have an average salary of $74,000. Cloud security specialists responsible for securing cloud platforms like AWS and Azure command salaries of approximately $152,000. At the executive level, Chief Information Security Officer lead enterprise-wide cybersecurity strategies and earn between $200,000 and $400,000. These roles not only offer impressive salaries but also provide meaningful work that protects critical infrastructure and personal data. The cybersecurity job market is experiencing zero unemployment with over 4.8 million positions unfilled globally. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 33% job growth in cybersecurity through 2033. This presents a unique opportunity for students to enter a field that is both financially rewarding and socially impactful. At the University of West Georgia Richards College of Business, students can pursue undergrad and graduate programs in MIS and cybersecurity to prepare for these careers. With hands-on labs, industry certification, and expert faculty, University of West Georgia equips students with the skills needed to succeed in this dynamic field. Whether you're interested in ethical hacking, digital forensic, or cloud security, there is a path for you in cybersecurity. Now that we have explored the exciting world of cybersecurity from real-world threat to high-paying careers, it's your turn to ask your question. Please ask your questions in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer.